Hey everyone, let's get started. I typically like to start by deveining the shrimp. Some people like to cook with it on, some people tend to remove it. I myself prefer to remove it. Even if you do decide to cook with it, it shouldn't cause you any harm. But still, it's just whatever your preference is. The way I prefer to remove the outer shell of the shrimp is by holding it from the middle of the shrimp, pulling off the tail, and then taking off the rest of the feet and the outer shell from the shrimp. I used an electric skillet, but you can also use the stove on medium-high flame. I used a teaspoon of butter here, and you can always use as much butter as you'd like. You just make sure that you saute it and season as desired. Make sure you spread the shrimp evenly apart. Add salt and pepper. The salt is optional. And just a tip, do not overcook the shrimp. If you do, it will cause it to turn hard and it may even hurt your teeth. After placing the lid, you can go ahead and cook the shrimp up to 15 minutes for now. 15 minutes later, this is how your shrimp should look. Keep up with moving it around so it doesn't stick onto your skillet or your pan. I'll always adjust the heat too. After 15 minutes, make sure you lower the flame. 15 more minutes after, this is exactly how your shrimp should look. A orange, pinkish, orange mainly orange color. But that's when you know that your shrimp is cooked. Turn off the shrimp and let it cool. For the sauce, we'll use 2 cans of Chipotle peppers and 1 can of mango slices. This is my favorite part. Now, I already added 2 pieces of garlic clove to the blender for the sauce. So what I'll go ahead and do is cut up a small amount of onion, and we'll go ahead and add that in as well. Since we added the garlic and onion, I'll go ahead and open up the can and start adding the mango slices. Make sure to add all the slices, including the juice, to blend. You want to make sure to save some juice on the side because you don't want it to be too sweet where you don't really taste that spicy kick. And remember, I added at least 1.5 cans of chipotle peppers. However, though, I do have a very high tolerance to chili and spiciness. So, if you are the type of person that can't really tolerate that much spicy, that's fine. Just make sure you kind of see how much peppers you can really add to this. Blend it, and then see if you can perhaps add a couple more. Once you get that desired spicy kick and the desired sweetness taste, then your sauce would be ready. Since I'm going to start blending, before I do, I'm going to add a pinch of pepper. Now blend. Make sure that your sauce is fully blended. You can always add mango juice to give it that sweet flavor as well. Remember, not too much, not too little. Just enough to your satisfaction. Once you feel that your sauce is ready, give it a taste. See how you like it. And now that your sauce is ready, we'll go ahead and add this to our shrimp. At this point, you can go ahead and turn on the stove so that way the shrimp can cook with the sauce. Once everything is completely poured into the shrimp, you can go ahead and mix it. Mix it until everything is completely covered. At this point, you can cook for about 20 more minutes and it should be ready. Now this is how your shrimp should look after 20 minutes. It's ready! Ooh! And there we have it. Sweet and spicy mango chipotle shrimp at its finest. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And if you definitely like this recipe and you're interested in way more recipes that I have, feel free to look and browse in my channel. Thank you again and have an awesome day. Bye y'all.